Let's talk about backup power for a resin printer. We are gonna get a 12-volt uninterrupted power output for one or more printers depending on power supply capacity. In this arrangement you can use the 12-volt power brick that comes with your printer or a 19-volt brick of a laptop. We will also use a 12-volt rechargeable battery with 7 ampere per hour capacity. The larger the capacity the better. So the idea is to use the said power source and a buck boost converter to achieve the required uninterrupted voltage at the power input of the printer. To that end, we need to provide permanent voltage at this point to feed the converter. We will use 2 suitable diodes that will be switching power from the power brick and battery depending on the availability of mains power. Simultaneously, while the mains power is available, the battery is charged by the charger and the battery is not connected to the converter because the battery diode is closed. Well, let's simulate a failure of the main power source. We will be measuring voltage at point A. While main power is available, we have the voltage of about 22 volts at the inlet of the converter and exactly 12 volts at the converter outlet. The battery diode is currently closed because the voltage of its cathode is higher than the voltage on its anode. Now let's disconnect the main power using this simulation switch. There is no more voltage supplied to the charger and the source diode. So the battery stops charging and the battery diode immediately opens to pass the battery voltage to the converter with no interruption. Thanks to this, the converter continues supplying 12-volt power to the printer. When main power restores, we get 22 volts at point A again, the battery diode closes, and the battery starts recharging. All without interruption, to save your printing job. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to be notified of the next part of the project.